Mountain Standard Time. Thousands of reports were received from civilians all over Wyoming that large meteors were impacting cities in Wyoming. This phenomenon is causing catastrophic damage and complete devastation to many cities across the state. Some neighboring states have reported minor damage, but all of the meteors seem to be impacting Wyoming. Many civilians and law enforcement personnel have been killed, but the total death count is not known. But an estimated death count within the first few minutes is over 50,000. This number could be much higher or lower. You are heavily advised to seek shelter in a central room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building until this phenomenon has ceased. Do not attempt to evacuate or you will likely be killed. Once this event is over, the National Guard will be aiding in evacuations of remaining citizens of the state. Wyoming may not be suitable for human life after this event.
An evacuation order has been issued for Wyoming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Wyoming State National Guard in cooperation with the Wyoming Office of Homeland Security. The meteors have stopped falling. To any and all remaining citizens, you are urged to evacuate Wyoming immediately. Many spots in the state have been deemed uninhabitable due to the phenomena that occurred yesterday. If you are unable to evacuate, the National Guard will assist you. Over 91% of people and most of the wildlife in Wyoming have died due to recent events. This concludes operations under the Emergency Alert System.